They're finally here. Milwaukee sent me the new extended reach ratchets, 1/4, 3/8, and half. The boots for them, and we got the modular cap kit. All right, so we got them out of the box. We got the boots on them. We got them loaded up with batteries. They each come with the paddle style trigger if you want to change the button out right here for the paddle style switch. So you can press this little button right here, slide that off, and then you can slide the paddle on there if you want to. Or you can use this modular kit, and they've got 4 different styles of buttons, and they give you another paddle. So whatever you prefer, you can put on there. So far, I like the switch, the button that comes with it. I don't really feel like I'm going to be changing it. I like it the way it is, so I think we're going to leave it like that. So like I said, these are the extended model. So here is the standard 3/8 model here. You can see just how much length you gain right there. The heads on them are really low profile, really small, get into those tight areas. And really, I like this one. I mean, it's way more lower profile than the original ratchets were. And I could find myself using this one a lot. But the extended reach is probably where I'm going to be using the most. I just really like that extra leverage, and that works out really well for me. So the 1/4 inch one right here, this one's rated at 45 foot-pounds, 550 RPM. You've got the 3/8 one. It is rated for 400 RPM, 70 foot-pounds of torque. And then we've got the big boy, the 1/2 inch, 300 RPM and 80 foot-pounds of torque. Giddy up. Good thing that thing's extra long, because you're going to need the extra leverage to hold on to that amount of power. What I like most about these ratchets is the ergonomics of it. You can see that contoured grip right there. And just overall, the ratchet is just a little smaller than the original ratchets, where they're not near as bulky. I feel like I can fit this ratchet into a lot tighter places. It definitely feels like it's got more power. It's almost like you combine the high speed and high torque, and you put it into this model, and you made it more ergonomic for your hand. They really just hit this one out of the park. Now I'm going to show you something cool that not a lot of people are talking about. So Milwaukee realized that people were doing a lot of neutral drops on these things. So you get the head turning, and then you go into your fastener and try to break it loose, right? So what they did was, in order to take the slack out of the motor, they changed the motor direction each time you hit the trigger. Watch. So it went that way, and then it goes back that way. So each time it changes direction. And the way that this drives up here with that cam lobe style driving system in there, it doesn't really matter which direction the motor turns. So each time that they move the trigger, we're taking all that slack and rotating it to give us a little bit more breakaway power up here at the head. Pretty cool, right? So I'm going to be using these new ratchets in the combine repairs going forward on the channel. I'm sure I'm going to have plenty of opportunities to use these ratchets, because I'm always grabbing them out of my truck. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel, and you're going to see these put in action.